Person composition and chemical formula. Now we have mastered the skill of calculating the person composition, but what else can we do with it? You can get what is called the empirical formula of a compound, which is the smallest ratio of the atom in a compound. Example, sodium is salt. The ratio of sodium will be the amount of sodium over the amount of sodium chloride. Let's practice this. Let's find the empirical formula of a compound with the next person composition. 94.1% of oxygen and 5.9% hydrogen. First step. As we know, a person means parts per 100, so let's assume that we have a sample of 100 grams. So 94.1 grams of oxygen, that will be, and 5.9 grams of hydrogen. Step 2. We need to convert these grams to moles. So, as we learned, is the moles of oxygen will be the amount of oxygen times 1 mole of oxygen divided by the molar mass of oxygen, that is 16 grams. That will give us 5.88 moles of oxygen. For hydrogen, we will do the same. The 5.9 grams times 1 mole of hydrogen divided by 1 gram of hydrogen, that is the molar mass. That will give us 5.9 moles of hydrogen. Step number 3. Let's divide each mole ratio by the smallest number of moles. In this case, is 5.88. So we divide each one of them, and that will give us 1 and 1. Step number 4. Let's use this ratio as suffixes in the formula. And so that will be H1O1 or HO. Now is your time, so please stop the video and do these two cases. When you are done, play the video back again and you'll see the answers so you can check them. Good luck. Now we have mastered the skill of calculating the percent composition and the empirical formula of a compound. But what else can we do to get the real formula, or what is called molecular formula? You can get a ratio from the molar mass of the compound and the empirical formula. This is the molar mass of the compound divided by the empirical formula mass. Getting back to the example you worked on in the empirical formula, you obtain the next formula, HO. If the molar mass of this compound is 34 grams per mole and the empirical formula mass of the compound is 17 grams per mole, which is 1 gram of hydrogen plus 16 grams of oxygen, as a result, the ratio will be 34 divided by 17, which is 2. To obtain the molecular formula, you need to multiply the subscripts in the empirical formula by 2, getting H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide. Now is your time, so please stop the video and do these two cases. When you are done, play the video back again so you can check your answers. Good luck!